Hello students, my name is Shazia Khan. Today we are going to study Geography Standard 6 Chapter number 4 Weather and Climate. In this chapter we will study how weather and climate change according to the seasons. Okay? This is the first part of this chapter. Now we will see what is weather. Weather, short life atmospheric condition prevailing at a place and at a given time, it's called weather. Weather, we always experience atmospheric condition around us, okay, but this is the short period of time. Weather is, for examples, we can say the weather is hot, cool, dry, sultry, etc. Okay, so this is the weather. ये वेदर जो है वो शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए रहता है, ठीक है. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व फ्यू क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू द वेदर कंडीशंस. ओके, since childhood we have experienced summer, rainy seasons and winter. On the basis of your experience, answer the following question. In which month do summer, the rainy seasons and winter occur in a year from January to December? Show it in a chart. So what we have to do, we have to show the weather conditions in it a chart. Okay, so we have three seasons like summer, rainy and winter. तो ये समर सीज़न कब से स्टार्ट होता है? तो द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल एंड मई. रेनी सीज़न कब से स्टार्ट होता है? तो रेनी सीज़न स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जून, जुलाई, अगस्त एंड सितंबर. एंड विंटर सीज़न स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. Which specials do we use if it is raining? So the answer is we use special clothes like raincoat, jacket, etc. if it is raining. अगर बारिश होती है तो हम बारिश के सीज़न में जैकेट, रेनकोट पहनते हैं, ठीक है. When do we use woolen clothes? We use woolen clothes in winter season. Okay, next is, in which seasons do we mainly use thin cotton clothes? We mainly use thin cotton clothes in summer seasons. In the summer seasons we are wearing cotton clothes. In the winter seasons we are wearing woolen clothes, and in the raining seasons we are wearing raincoat, jacket, etc. Okay, have you clear all these questions, students? Okay, next we will see climate. What is climate? We must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each seasons occur at a particular time of the year. जो भी तीन सीजन्स है, समर, विंटर और रेनी सीजन्स, दिस सीजन्स इज कमिंग इन द पर्टिकुलर period and particular time in a year. The scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. साइंटिस्ट ने इसको काफ़ी साल तक, जब कोई भी एक रीजन को एक्सपीरियंस करना होता, ऑब्ज़र्व करना होता है, तो कम से कम 30 इयर्स जो है उस रीजन्स को ऑब्ज़र्व किया जाता है और फिर उसका रिज़ल्ट निकलता है, ठीक है. द साइंटिस्ट ऑब्जर्व द वेदर रीजन इन ए फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. काफ़ी सालों के मेहनत के बाद उन्हें पता चलता है कि इस पर्टिकुलर रीजन का ये वेदर कंडीशन है. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ सच स्टडीज़ दे डिफाइन द मीन वेदर कंडीशन, द एवरेज वेदर कंडीशंस ऑफ ए प्लेस observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region. Students, weather and climate, both the meaning is different. Okay, weather is coming for short period of time. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature. When temperature will change, weather condition is also change, winds and humidity, etc. We always experience these changes. A sum total of these elements defined weather. This affect our day-to-day activity and lifestyles. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climate. If we will see climate, so the climate is frequently changes. टेम्परेचर, विंड एंड ह्यूमिडिटी शो करता है वेदर कंडीशंस को. ओके, वी ऑलवेज एक्सपीरियंस दिस चेंजेस. ओके, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ वेदर. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ वेदर में winds, temperatures and humidity. These things is coming in the weather. Okay. Temperature. The earth's surface gets heat from the sun. Earth's surface, it gets heat from the sun, right? As a result, the surface gets heated up. As we move upward from the sea level, the temperatures of air decreases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator toward both the pole. First element is temperature. As we also know कि when we get heat from the sun, so earth is also heated from the earth surface is also heated from the sun. Okay. As we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air is decreases. Okay, when we will move upward from the sea, so the temperature is going to be decreases. The temperature also goes on decreases from equator. Equator means toward the both north pole and south pole. आप नॉर्थ पोल में भी जाओगे या साउथ पोल में भी देखोगे तो टेम्परेचर कैसा है हो जाएगा वहाँ का डिक्रीज होता है. ठीक है. Understood students, whatever we studied today, what is climate, which questions we solve. Okay, if you have any doubt, any queries, you all can ask me. Thank you.